Hello, my name is Michelle. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this puff sleeve. Measure 5 inches. From that 5 inches, measure 3 inches, which is the cap's height, and the sleeve length, which is 7 inches. On the cap's height, measure the armhole length, which is 6 inches, and 3.5 inches for seam allowance and pleating. Make a curve like this. On the 5 inches you left, measure 5 inches. Connect it to the armhole curve like this. Notch the middle. The round sleeve is 6 inches. Sewing allowance is included. Pleat the top like this. When you're done pleating, attach it to the body's armhole and sew it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos, and I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.